Hey, I hope everybody is feeling great today. So, I wanted to share a part of a conversation that I just had with a friend who invited me out for coffee. And she said, I just wanted to check on you because you don't seem like you've been your upbeat self. And she was spot on. And I'm just grateful that I have somebody in my life who sees me and who checks in on me. And I was telling her that this week has been one of reflections, and we both attended an event last night to celebrate the women in our community. And it really got me to thinking that, looking at the impact that these women are making on their community, I always saw myself as that type of woman, somebody who made an impact on their community, because all I've ever wanted to do was help others to become their very best self. And I feel like I've been playing small. And so what she saw was that me just really reevaluating where I am. What can I do differently? Not that I'm blaming anybody or anything about where I am and who I am and how I am. I'm just looking at how can I become the woman that I see myself being. And so I definitely appreciated our conversation. And I want to say to you, I want you to think about who you are and where you are. And if you're not where you want to be, like she said to me, you still have time. You still have time to become that woman that you aspire to be, where you leave a legacy that you're absolutely proud of. And that's what I want to do. I want to leave a legacy that I am absolutely proud of. So I say to you, if you're not where you want to be, then come up with a game plan to get there. And that's what I'm going to go home and do. I'm going to go home and work on a game plan to step into 2025 with a plan for showing up like the woman that I want to be seen as. And that's someone who's really making a tremendous impact in the lives of others. So while my life is good, I've always seen my life being so much greater and making such an impact on the world and those that I come in contact with, whether it be putting a smile on their face, whether it be helping them to solve a problem or come up with a plan that brings more abundance into their lives. That's what I want to do, and I no longer want to play small. I want to be the person who God intended me to be. So I hope this was helpful, and I just wanted to share a little bit of my heart because somebody else might be feeling the same way, that my life is good, but I always envisioned it being so much greater. Have an amazing day.